And with how warm that weather is getting, I think bathing suit contests are just going to be happening all over the place.
Oh,
we're all going to be in a bathing
goodness.
suit here soon.
I tell you what, if you have a bathing suit, use it, because I'll tell you, these temperatures are so awful.
This is a public service announcement
Oh
from
my
ABC7.
gosh, amen.
Use
I know.
Use that bathing
your
suit.
bathing suit, because you need that bathing suit. Can you imagine how, I mean, it was 91 degrees.
Yeah, it's
we saw
cooking out
temperatures in the 90s today. And so this is what it was actually. These are the high temperatures around the state, and no one was spared. I mean, everyone's seeing those hot temperatures around, and you can see across our region, our temperatures were hot no matter where you were. If you were at the coastline, we saw temperatures in the 90s. If you went east, we saw temperatures a little warmer than that. So you could not get a break no matter where you were going. Everyone reporting temperature reading of 90 to 93 degrees. That was our range today. But here's what's worse. This is what it felt like. Temperatures feeling as though it's 102 in Tallahassee, 100 degrees up in the Jacksonville area, and even in Sarasota. It felt, even though officially we saw temperatures that were at that 90-degree mark, 93 was what it felt like today with that heat index in play. But we saw a high, an official high of 91. That's what's going to go down, 76 degrees. It wasn't a record. Certainly that happened in 1998 with 96 degrees reported there. 76 was the overnight low. And so we're seeing temperatures that are a little bit warmer than they normally are for this time of the year. 88 degrees is typically our daytime high. Right now it's 87, and we're looking at a time of about 6:30, quarter of 7 right now. Winds are coming in out of the west right off the Gulf of Mexico at 8 miles per hour. And we are seeing a few more clouds around and also some more rain developing. You'll notice most of the track is towards the east, towards the west, to the coastline. And so what we're looking at are some isolated heavy showers taking place across the region. And they're very widely scattered for most part of the day. We saw most of the rain east, and now we're starting to see some of that spilling on over towards the coastline. But we are getting pockets of some heavier rain showers down to the south around Fort Myers. We're getting the rain, and also now starting to see those showers developing along the coastline in Sarasota and Manatee County. And right now Charlotte County is quiet for the most part, you can see, but we are looking at some cloud cover moving on in. So rain will be certainly a feature for us at least until 9 o'clock tonight. High pressure is now in play, and so that high pressure system is starting to move farther away from the state of Florida. The winds are circulating around it. That's why we're seeing that clockwise circulation around that high, helping to bring in the showers from the east to the west. And it is going to be hot and hazy and humid over the next 24-hour period. So tomorrow's temperatures will be very much similar to what we experienced today. And you'll notice that during the overnight time period, we're just going to be looking at mostly cloudy skies. So the rain's going to come to an end, and then we'll start to see showers developing again. But we're not going to get them until later in the day. They're going to start up towards the north, and then we're going to start to see more of those showers coming on through once again from the central part of the state, moving on over to the west coast. And just very quickly, we'll take a quick look at the tropics. You have to go way on out into the Atlantic, but off the Cape Verde Islands, which is this chain of islands right here, we are looking at this area right here. It's an area of disturbed weather, and it is moving towards the west, and we're just going to keep this on our radar for now. 48 hours, there's a 10% chance of development. In 5 days, there's a 40% chance. So we'll just keep you posted as to what's going on there. Here's our 7-day forecast. Hot, 50% chance of rain. Adam.